Good evening and welcome to Success Academy Harlem 4's Power Through Unity Dance Showcase. My name is Jordan Farr and I'm the dance teacher here at H4. I would like to introduce my first guest, Peyton Innocent, to start the show. Enjoy.
Good evening. Tonight we will be dancing in a showcase called Power Through Unity. Unity can be defined as being united or joined as a whole. In times when the world is divided for so many reasons, we have found dance to be one important way to keep us all together. Please enjoy this performance by Harlem 4's dance club called I Believe.
They said you wouldn't make it so far, and ever since they said it, it's been hard. But never mind the night you had to cry, 'cause you had never let it go inside. You worked real hard and you know exactly what you want and need. So believe, and you can never give up. You can reach your goals. Just talk to your soul and say, I can.
I would like to welcome our next guest, Savannah.
There is a power in unity. We can only accomplish so much by ourselves. But when we come together for strength, for support, and for change, we are unstoppable. Together we create a future of hope. Please enjoy this performance by H4's kindergarten, first, and second grade called We Are One.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going. One love, one life, one world, one fight. Whole world, one night, one place. Brazil, everybody put your flags in the sky and do what you feel. It's your world, my world, our world today. And we invite the whole world to play. It's your world, my world, our world today. And we invite the whole world to play. Es mi mundo, tu mundo, el mundo de nosotros. Invitamos a todo el mundo a jugar con nosotros.
I would like to welcome our next guest, Dana.
We can unite our communities and our world in so many ways. Some of these ways include being kind to one another, talking to each other, and trying to understand each other's point of view, respecting yourself and other people, and building together through teamwork by listening and trying to understand each other. We can become the beat that powers the world. Please enjoy this performance by Harlem 4, 3rd grade and 4th grade elective class called Bring the Beat.
Yeah, man, sir. You know what you're saying about Marshall Montana. Watch that now. Go do it.
I would like to welcome our next guest, Chloe.
Thank you for attending our Power Through Unity Dance Showcase. We hope you've enjoyed watching our scholars perform. Although the world may be divided in different ways right now, there are so many ways to unite us. Dance has allowed us to come together and let our voices be heard through movement.
Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, and when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around. You will be found. 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 Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry
I love to dance because dance is about different cultures and it inspires me. It teaches us how to be creative and it teaches us movement and that it helps us improve our muscles and it helps us be flexible. I love dance because I get to move my body around and it includes lots of teamwork. I love dance because it's fun and you get to hang out with friends.
I love to dance because we learn something new.
I like dance because dance makes us flexible.
I like dance because I get to learn a lot of new dances. I love dance because we can practice and practice and practice until the dance performance starts. I love dance because it really inspires me. All I really love to do is dance. I love dance because it's a way you can express yourself and learn different ways of movement. I love dance because I like to have fun and I like to spend time with people like that likes to dance and it makes me happy. I love to dance because it's fun, exciting, and it helps you have the ability to be flexible. I like to dance because like you bring in the hype and also like no matter what music you listen to, it's always gonna bring the joy to your family and to your friends and to the people who taught you how to dance.
I like to dance because it's very fun and you get to express your emotions in any way you try. Because if you're sad, you can do contemporary, and if you're happy, you can do jazz.
I like to dance because when I was 4, I used to always dance. I like to dance because no one moves. I love to dance because it exercises me out when I'm not ready for nothing.
What I like about dance is that we can dance wherever we want and we can practice to dance.
I love dance because you can do a lot of amazing moves with it.
I love dance because you could kind of like move around and you could dance however you want.
I like dance because every time I come to the class and I join, I get to exercise. And when I come back to my next class, I feel ready to work.
Thank you for watching our dance showcase. We hope you enjoyed it. This show can be found on our SA Harlem 4 YouTube channel if you would like to watch it again or share it with family and friends. Have a great night and stay safe.